there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Obsession wig by Forever Young in the color Golden Brown Highlights. I'm going to make a separate video about the color. This one's mainly going to be about Obsession itself, and this is definitely a boob hugger, as I like to say. It is definitely long, super long princess hair. Here, I'm gonna have to lower this camera. Look at how this one, look how low that is. So this one is really pretty. It's got some really lovely layering here in the front. It's a bit like Rapunzel hair. And I've been playing with it with my fingers, but I actually think I'm gonna run a comb through it, just really gently. Just to loosen it up just a little bit more. Now, if you're looking for a wig for daily wear that's this long, one that I recommend is Brianna by Envy. That one's very similar to this. Amber by John Renault would also be a really good one. They tend to have a little bit more comfortable cap construction. But this is super cute. So if all you're going for is, hey, I look hot, I think this one will do that trick very nicely. It's so cute. It's almost like boho hippie princess hair. It's very pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and do a turn. I'm gonna try to get everything I can in here so you can see how long this is, but this is ridiculously long. So I'm gonna go over some specs once I'm done doing my little turn. This one's fun. This one's a lot of fun to play with. I would definitely recommend using some of that Simply Styling or maybe some Envy Renew and Repair down here at the bottoms to help prevent tangling, because long wigs like this are totally gonna tangle. The overall length, because I keep saying how long this is 25 inches from the crown down to the bottom, which I'm 5'8", and that goes all the way down to the base of my spine practically. But I'm very short-waisted, just for FYI's sake. The weight on this is heavy. This is a 10-ounce wig. So I have decent coverage here on the sides, but yeah. The top is a skin top, which isn't as fancy as it sounds. There's like a rubberized disc that I'm gonna show you in a second that adds to the weight of the cap. I'm gonna go ahead and take Obsession off now so I can show you the cap construction. So Obsession, like I said, has fairly basic cap construction. You can see it's actually making my head a little red. There's a little bit of felt here at the front hairline, and then there's a rubberized disc in here that's sort of flesh colored. And if you're a woman of color, you can always color that in with a marker if you like. It'll take to a marker pretty easily because it's just a little bit of rubber. Then the sides and the back and most of the top actually are open. And then the back is extended. It is felt, but it adjusts with the hook enclosure. And we do have closed felt here on the ear tabs. So for as far as, you know, fashion wigs, the cap construction is actually pretty solid, as long as you are okay with the skin top. And the fact that if you get this in a really light color, you may see tracks, especially on straighter wigs. Really pretty color. Looks gorgeous on all of this. The curls on Obsession are so pretty. This is a very pretty fashion wig. So there you go. I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs at CysterWigs.com. Hopefully this has been helpful for you. This again has been the Obsession wig by Forever Young in the color Golden Brown with highlights. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great afternoon, everybody. Bye-bye.